Why did you choose engineering?
Design engineering was the discipline of engineering that I was most drawn to because of the fact that it was creative but also still had those key engineering skills, and it kind of allowed me to problem solve but in a way that was innovative. TEDI-London genuinely is just, obviously the course is fantastic. It's really cool that we get to be hands-on, and I think it's the people here that really make this university just so lovely. I find that when we're here, I'm challenged in a whole new way because we're applying things in projects, and I don't know if you found that, but it's a completely different skill set. What sort of skills did you think were your favourite that you've developed?
My CAD skills.
Yeah.
My CAD skills. I was quite good at prototyping beforehand, quite good at making stuff. I'm quite a hands-on person, which is why Teddy suited me. Do you like the group work?
I really do. I've been really fortunate to be blessed with really great team members.
I know for me, when I first came, the group work was a pivotal moment for me.
Yeah.
I felt that supported, and it enabled me to continue this journey, and it got me to a point where I was confident enough to be able to do it on my own.
Absolutely.
And that couldn't have happened without the group work that we do. Utilising all the tools to bring lots of different skill sets together is really, really good way of doing things. Better for the environment, better for people. And knowing which one to apply in which context
Exactly.
is something else that I think we get really well from the modules.
And it's also really great that we can experiment, I feel.
Yeah.
Just over and over again, and just innovate and create new things.
It's that innovation with no limitation.
Exactly, that's such a wonderful way to put it.